Hi everyone, this is Sunil. Today I'll explain one extraordinary great opportunity for everyone and every time. See, this is the one of the great opportunity for like students, housewives, retired persons, and everyone. Already you have a job or you are already a business person. You utilize this opportunity. You got it extra income. This is definitely uh, this need in everyone. Okay, what is this opportunity? uh, I I ask one question for everyone, also myself also. Why we need opportunity? Why we need opportunity? Like change our lifestyle and better standard of living and spend quality time with family and also fulfill our dreams like car, building and bangla like and make name a fame like in society. Okay, uh, and also I ask once again one small question. Are you able to fulfill all this from your current income? uh, you take some income, thus present situation, present position, that position fulfill your dreams, yes or no? You ask yourself. Okay, now I'll clarify this concept. I'll explain it clearly. This concept 100% is fulfill your dreams and reach highly high levels. You got it high levels incomes also with genuine. Okay, this is absolutely free opportunity, without any investment. Okay, uh, thank you. uh, for example, you do one job or you do one business. You got it some money overall month, no overall month, and also overall week. You got some money. After you spend that money for something your family needs and your personal need, and some expenses also for every month. You got it. You utilize your money, your own money, you utilize for your needs. Yes. For example, your money for use for these things like grocery and some vegetables and fruits and your fairness creams and oils, soaps, like that. This is these items you need every day. Yes. uh, and you utilize your money. You take these items. Okay, then sometimes you shop your for some functions and some festivals also. You spend your valuable money. Okay, our next also you spend your valuable money. Sometimes go to your family, with your family, with friends for food parties and some like parties. Okay, that time also you spend your money. Once again you spend money sometimes also entertainment for movies and let's parties and for journeys like Tirupati, like Kashmir, like Kulu Manali. This type of journeys also you spend your money. And again you pay some bills for every month, power bill, electricity bill, and telephone bill and water bill. Also sometimes you book your hotels and you abroad, you journey out of station. You book your book hotel rooms and bus tickets, bus booking, cab booking and flight booking, also train booking also. That time also you spend your valuable money. You utilize that all things. Okay, next also sometimes medical expenses also you utilize your money. These all things you utilize your money for these things. Okay, now I clarify one extraordinary one answer I will give you. Anytime what we usually do. Okay, we spend on daily basis on all our basis needs. Are we getting any extra benefit from this? I'll explain very clearly. You spend some money from your needs, daily needs or weekly needs, or some you pay some bills. After you got it, you spent that money. You got it any, you get it any benefits from that one? No. Just think, if you could earn on all your daily regular spending, you clearly you observe this point. Just think, if you could earn all your daily regular spending. This is absolutely genuine concept, my friends. This listen carefully. In this video, below my WhatsApp number fee, just WhatsApp me. I'll rectify all question, all doubts for you. Okay, this is absolutely free. Thank you. Now you are you think some doubts your mind. How is it possible? I am already spent some money for some things, something, but how to get some benefit from already been spent that money? Now I will introduce one e-commerce website for you. This is the name of BluePayMax. BluePayMax. This is one of the largest e-commerce website in overall India. This is established of 2013 in Bangalore head office. In this platform, in this bluepaymax.com, more than 3.5 lakhs products have there, and very good company. And here you, how much you spend and how much you shop in this bluepaymax.com, you got it some earning money. Okay, then this is the bluepaymax.com first page of website. First page, all items available here: men, women, kids, electronics, appliance, home, and some others, and cards, gift cards also available here. This is the one of the good e-commerce website. More than 3.5 lakhs products is available here. And now I'll already a few minutes back we discussed one point. You spend any money for anywhere, you got it some benefit. Okay, how it is possible? In this e-commerce website, this bluepaymax e-commerce website introduced some reloadable cards, I like shopping cards. Okay, and these two type of cards, reloadable cards and non-reloadable cards, introducing this website. First one, reloadable cards, they provide from bank side. One bank is HDFC Bank and the second one Yes Bank. And these two banks provide two type of reloadable cards. This is absolutely free cards. Just only charges for delivery charges, only 150 rupees only for delivery charges. Absolutely, this card is free. You utilize this card for offline, online in overall India, just like this card working like a debit card and credit card. Just only do not withdraw on ATM. Only one minus, do not withdraw on money in on ATM. Okay, only that is only one minus. And debit card, credit card, how to work? These two cards also same working. Okay, same function, also same function available. And you utilize this card, you got it some points. Okay, when you get some points, you got it convert that money. Okay, for example, one small family need 5,000 to expenditure, 5,000 to 10,000 or 15,000 for whole month. Okay, you pays directly money, or some people use Paytms, some people use debit card or credit card. I'll suggestion, the great extraordinary suggestion for you. You utilize this cards, shopping cards. Also two type of cards available: blue paymax profit cards, cards also available here. Okay, when you use these cards, you got it some points. When you got some points, you got earn lot of money with free. Okay, These two type of cards, HDFC and Yes Bank, and also Indian Oil card, one card also available. Every person need a fuel, petrol like that. Indian card also available here. You when how many times you load your petrol in your vehicle, that time also you got it some points. After you convert that for currency. Okay, this card is very very extraordinary. You buy some items in this bluepaymax.com, also you got it some money. You shop anywhere everywhere in India, you got it some points. Okay, after you got it money. Okay, in this bluepaymax.com provide four type of incomes for everyone. When you registered successfully, then you got first income group matching benefit, and second one bluepaymax club reward, third one repurchase benefit, fourth one some foreign trips also available in this concept. Okay, first one I will discuss, explain very briefly. First one, group matching benefit. What is group matching benefit? For example, just you join in this system free of registration. Registration is free. Then uh, you utilize you some shopping also, or you got it some, you get it is some card, then you got it some points. Okay, after you introduce this concept for your friends, your relatives, and your family members, then how many people come on your down, you arrange the two type of groups, group 1, group 2. You arrange that whole people's, arrange group 1, group 2 like. Okay, when you arrange group 1, group 2. Okay, once group 1 people you got, group 1 people when do 1000 PV, and group 2 people when do 1000 PV, that time total matching points 1000 PV. Okay, every one matching point equal 1 Indian rupee. Okay, you got it how many matching points, that time you got it that type of that contain of amount. Okay, this is group matching benefit. uh, my friends, this video not clearly for English, sorry, this is a very disturbance, sorry, uh, I'll excuse for you, sorry. In this video down my WhatsApp number fee, please WhatsApp me, I will explain 100% for you, you understand. Second one is a blue paymax club rewards. Some rewards also available here: TV, two-wheeler, small car, and fixed deposit, gold jewelry, luxury car, apartments, and cash prize also 50 lakhs above cash prize also available here. And the third income, my friends, this is life changing income in this bluepaymax.com. uh, when you registered free, completed, then you got it, you do every month minimum 100 PV in this concept. You need, you got it repurchase benefit, you do 100 PV for every month. That time you got it in down 10 levels, 10 levels you got it repurchase benefit. This is extraordinary benefit. See this table. For example, when you completed registered successfully, after you purchase any small item, you got it 50 percentage cash, not cash out. How many PV you do in the after you registration successfully, uh, you got it 50 percentage payout. For example, you do 100 PV, you got it 50 percentage like payout 50 rupees. Like first level, you introduce three people. For example, three, you introduce three people, you every person do 100 PV, then you got it 100 total, 300 total PV. You got it the first level 40 percentage payout like 120 rupees, and second level you got it 30 percentage payout 270 rupees and 9 members. And last one, third level, fourth level, fifth, sixth, seventh level, eighth level, you got it 20 percentage payout. approximately 1,31,000 you got you pay out income. And the fourth level, no, ninth level, you got it 30 percentage. 10th level is also 30 percentage. Totally you got it 25 lakhs repurchase benefit, only 100 PV for starting doing this one, everyone. Okay, my friends, this extraordinary concept. uh, I'll tell you one thing finally. uh, your valuable money you spending through cash or through debit card or credit card, anything, but once you spend again, and you not get small benefit. Okay, but you use blue paymax reward cards and reloadable cards, then you got it some points. You convert the points to lot of big money, not 1 rupee 2 rupee, for 25 lakhs and 20 lakhs, like that. Okay, please subscribe this channel. In this video, below my number I'll show that in down. Please WhatsApp me, I will explain very clearly. Okay, thank you so much.